real quick. Well, you can't reach her thing. No!
Trying to do that, you drop.
Hey guys, welcome to this Ohio farmhouse. I'm taking you with us today, and I want to just show you what a typical Saturday looks like around here. We have everything from sports to like this myriad of projects that are getting done on any given weekend. And so I'm just going to kind of take you along and show you what it looks like when you're a homesteading family and how we fit all of these moving pieces together. Ben works outside of the home throughout the week, and so on the weekends we have this list of projects that we're trying to get through, and it's inevitable that our Saturdays are pretty much taken up fully by that list. So just a little bit ago, we were getting ready for soccer games, and we got a phone call from Ben. He was picking up a load of stone before we had to go to a soccer game, and he called and he said, I need you to unload this trailer that's filled with wood and wood chips and kind of like a mix of stuff. It was kind of a pain to unload because the pieces were really big. But we went outside. It kind of threw off our schedule for the morning, but the boys and I got to work putting all of that into the pig pen and kind of cleaning up their area, getting rid of some of the mud that's in that. So then it was breakfast and we're off to soccer. So we're back from soccer. We won the game, had a great time. We were late because we got lost on the way to this little field in the middle of nowhere. But we made it, and now we're back home. We have lots of work to get done. So we need to feed everybody, get the baby in for a nap, and then we are going to get started outside working on a greenhouse. I need to get plants outside to start hardening them off. We have mowing that needs to be done, and then Ben picked up a load of stone this morning, so hopefully we're going to start putting some paths into the potager. So we'll see how far this day takes us and how much energy we have to expel. So let's head out and get started. All right, you're getting new friends, little piggies. It's gonna make you guys look like, look at him itching his butt. You made a little dust cloud. All right, we have 6 new piglets that just arrived. I don't know if I can see them in here. Hi, piggies.
I didn't even look at them. I'm scared.
You didn't see them?
Well, they're good size.
Yeah.
So convenient.
That one's cute with the stripe down his head. Little pigs are the cutest. Okay, where's a pallet? All right, we've got pigs in place. Those actually went pretty smoothly. They walked right out, did what they're supposed to do, and Ben's just fixing the fence back up. Just make sure he's getting it all tied up so that they can't escape because they're smaller than the ones that are in there. So while he's finishing that up, I'm heading back over to the greenhouse and I'm going to continue leveling out the dirt here. There's a video coming soon that's going to show you step by step how we're putting the greenhouse together. This is made from an old, actually 2 old trampolines, and so it's kind of cool how we flipped it up on that side, but we'll have a whole video where you can watch that process start to finish, what that looked like. That'll be coming out right after this video, so make sure that you check that out. All right, Ben's wrapping up a couple things up here. I just got done mowing a couple of the yards and we have kids that need baths because we had church in the morning and they have been busy playing in the dirt today, and I'm a little bit afraid Josie was potentially in some wooded areas where there could be poison ivy, so we need to do some serious bathing tonight. So I'm gonna head inside. That's about a wrap on our Saturday. It has been somewhat of a typical day here in the springtime. We have busy Saturdays, but hopefully tomorrow we're gonna get some rest and just enjoy being together as a family after we spend our morning at church. Thanks for being here. I'll see you next time. Remember, your home is your mission field. And there's my little one.
This is for mommy.
That's what it says?
Yeah.
It says this, actually it says it's for Owen. Thanks for the mail. You left the door open though.
Okay.
And there's mail everywhere. Pearson got the mail for me. All right, we'll see you next time. You know what I forgot we need to do?
What?
All of our plants need to go inside. Think I can get some helpers maybe?
But I can't carry all those.
You can't carry those?
Yeah.
All right, I'll get some of the bigger kids, huh? All right.